Catch them young. Here is a small presentation from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Naval Base Kochi, to make our children aware of the importance of obeying traffic rules for their own safety and for others as well. Road accidents are one of the main causes of fatalities and injuries across the globe. Reckless road behavior is usually the result of failure to acknowledge the importance of traffic rules and basic road protocol. To minimize traffic jams, accidents and injuries, the rules are formulated. Every day, many people lose their lives and get injured due to road accidents. If traffic rules are not followed, this can harm other people. The ability to interpret basic signs can be the foundation of a long-running education and exposure to the larger set of rules associated with road traffic safety. With children also being victim in these unfortunate cases, it is important to start teaching them about road safety early on in life. Why are traffic guidelines important for school children? Safe to school, safe to home. Road traffic injury ranks among the top 4 causes of death for children less than 5 years. It is the first killer of children aged 15 to 17 years. Road traffic death rates among children are 3 times higher in developing countries. 2 times as many boys as girls die in traffic crashes. 12 school children die on Indian roads daily. Why do children need more attention? Because they are curious, daring and spontaneous, making them vulnerable to accidents. Most road accidents involving children happen close to their homes. The risk increases when children start high school, cannot determine which direction sound is coming from. They do not know what to watch out and listen for. They want to enjoy independence. They are fast and unpredictable and they get distracted easily. Some important traffic rules. First, keep on your left, allowing the vehicles from the opposite direction to pass. Second, while turning either left or right, give way to vehicles going straight. Third, give way to traffic on your right, especially at road junctions and roundabout. Traffic rules while on a vehicle. Always use a helmet if on a two-wheel and always check that the strap is fixed properly. Keep enough distance from the vehicle ahead to avoid collision. Yellow lines should not be crossed at any costs. Traffic rules on road. At the signal, do not stop your vehicle on the pedestrian crossing. Two-wheelers are meant only for 2. Third person is not allowed. Do not cross the road while the traffic light is red. Guidelines while walking to the school. Do's: always walk on the footpath only or walk on the extreme right-hand side of the roads. Cross only at zebra crossings, traffic signals, subways or foot over bridges. While crossing wide roads that have central islands, always cross in 2 stages. At the signal lights, cross only on a clear green signal. Guidelines while walking to the school. Don'ts: do not be impatient on the road. Do not rush or run on the road. Don't run across the road. It is a very bad idea as you may slip and fall. Never cross a road at a corner or a curve. Never cross between vehicles parked on the side of the road or school premises. Guidelines while going by bus. Do's: arrive 5 to 10 minutes before bus is scheduled. Go back home for help if you miss bus. Have all items in book bag before leaving home. Wait in safe place 12 feet away from traffic. Stay away from road and pay attention to moving vehicles at all times. Form a single file line 12 feet away from road. Don'ts. Do not cross before bus comes. No horseplay, pushing or shoving. Never walk to another stop. Never have parents drive to another stop. Guidelines while going by bus. Do's. Have all belongings inside book bag before leaving classroom. Walk straight towards bus door in a queue. Use handrail for safety. Go directly to seat. If you get on wrong bus by mistake, tell bus driver. Don'ts. Never chase after a moving bus. Never run towards the bus. Never place head, arms or any objects out of bus window. Guidelines while going with parents. Parents can take the following measures to reduce school zone traffic hazards. Don't park across the street from the school. If this is not possible, accompany your children using a crosswalk as he or she crosses the street. Using the existing drop-off pickup system organized by the school. Reduce school zone congestions by carpooling with neighbors or friends. Parents should not allow their minor children to drive. Children are very good observers and therefore parents must set an example by meticulously observing and following even small traffic rules. Accidents hurt, safety doesn't. Safe drive, stay alive. Thank you.